Hey guys, what's up? How are you all? Guys, this you all might have attended a lot of webinars, right? And during the webinars, you all have seen one common things like all the organizers are doing. They're collecting your data in the form of Google form. They're sharing one Google form link with you all, and where you're just typing your name, your email ID, and the questions whatever you have, right? And that data is saved by the organizers. Okay, so you might have a questions how to create such kind of a form where you type a questions, you type your name, you type your email ID into the Google form, and directly it converted into a spreadsheet, or on spot it's converted into the spreadsheet. So you might have a questions, right? So for that questions, I have created this video where I have shown you how you can create a Google form, and like whenever any attendee or whenever any users type any questions or information, it will directly convert it into the Excel. It's very easy and it's a free of cost. You don't have to pay any things to Google. Okay, so guys, let's start and see this video till the end, and you will get to know how you can create the Google form with the Excel 5. So for that, the mandate thing is like you need a Google account. Okay, you need a Gmail account. Okay, so I'm already logged into my Gmail account. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just search over here Google Forms. Okay, so it will redirect you to the Google search result. The first result what you see over here, it's a Google form, free online survey for personal use. Just click on that form, that URL. Okay, and you might see over here create a beautiful forms, the landing page of the Google form. Okay, so just click over here, go to Google Forms. Okay, so over here Google have given a lot of different type of forms according to the requirements. Like one, you can see over here, first is contact form, RSVP, party invite, t-shirt sign up, and there are many more. If you can scroll over here, template gallery, you can see many more forms. Okay, so for creating the form, like a basic form, what you have to do, just click on contact form. Okay, it's a predefined form, you can edit it according to your requirement. Okay, so let's take an example. I'm just giving you the title of the webinar as ask your query. Okay, so the name, it should be a mandatory, email should be a mandatory. I don't want their address, so what I will do, I will just rename it to query. Okay, and the phone number, if I want the phone number, then I will ask it, and if I don't want the phone number, then I will delete it. And you can do it like if you want the field should be mandatory, so you have to just enable this required form, required field. Or if you don't want this should be mandatory, then you can disable this. Okay, so I don't want to collect the phone number, so I'm just deleting this field. Even I don't want any kind of a comments, so I'm just deleting this. So over here my form is ready. Okay, the next step where we have to convert this form into the Excel file. So what we have to do, okay, we have to click over here response. Okay, so under this response, right now I have a zero response. So you can see over a small icon, green color icon, it's a create spreadsheet. Just click on this spreadsheet, and it will ask you create a new spreadsheet or select the existing spreadsheet. So for okay, so at the very first time what you have to do, you have to select create a new spreadsheet. So over here you can see automatically my fields are ready, the timestamp, name, email, and the query. So these are the field what the user will fill, and the timestamp is the automatic, like whenever it's an first come first serve. Whenever the people will come, whenever the user will come, they will enter the names, so it will be directly placed to the first position, then the second, then the third. So like that it will be generated one by one. Okay, so let me show you the example, like the practical one, how it works. So what you have to do, you have to just share this URL. Okay, whenever you are conducting a webinar, or like if you want any query, you want any forms to be populated in your organization, or okay, so you just need to share this above URL. So I'm just opening one incognito mode. I'm entering over here. Okay, so over here it is asking me to sign in. So sign in is mandatory over here, but we have the control over here where we can disallow this feature. What we have to do, we have to just go back to our form, and on the top you can see settings. Okay, just click on that setting button and just untick this limit to one responses. Okay, and save. Once you're done with that, what will happen if I'm just reloading my URL? So see, the sign in mandatory is now disappeared. Okay, now I can fill up my forms. So I'm just filling my forms. Vitesh Kotian, email ID vks@gmail.com. Query: how to solve. Okay, I'm just entered the random query, and I'm just submitting my query. So let me show you how the form will look like. Okay, see, automatically the form got filled. It is like 5 7, and I'm recording this video at 2 a.m. So it's 2:20:05. Vitesh Kodin is the name, email, and how to solve a form. So this is what I have asked the query. So this is so simple, guys. Anyone can create such forms and populate wherever they want. Okay, so it is very easy. If you face any questions during creating this form, you can ask me, you can get in touch with me, you can find my social media URLs right below this video. Okay, you can just comment on the video, I will reply on that. Okay, do subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.